Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Shopify versus Code. Shopify is a comprehensive, hosted e-commerce platform, offering an all-in-one solution for building and managing online stores. It handles the technical infrastructure, security, and updates for you. In contrast, building with Code involves self-hosting and custom development, providing maximum flexibility and control over every aspect of your store. This approach requires you to manage servers, databases, and security manually, offering a deeper level of customization. 1, 13, 14, 15. Shopify shines with its ease of use and rapid deployment. You can set up a fully functional store quickly, even without any coding knowledge. 8, 14, 16. It comes packed with built-in features like secure payment processing, efficient shipping tools, and various marketing integrations. 14, 16 plus, you get 24/7 customer support and access to a vast app store for extended functionality. 11, 12, 18 monthly subscription plans typically range from $5 for a starter plan to $2,300 for Shopify Plus, depending on the features you need. 5, 7, 9, 10. Opting for a code-based solution grants you unparalleled control and customization. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 13, 14 developers can craft a truly unique online experience, optimizing every detail for specific business needs and branding. 1, 2, 3, 4. While there are no recurring platform fees like Shopify's, you'll invest significantly in development and ongoing maintenance. 4, 12, 14. Open-source platforms such as WooCommerce or Magento can provide a robust foundation, but they still demand technical expertise for setup, customization, and security management. 8. So which path is right for you? Choose Shopify for quick launches, ease of management, and if you prefer a fully managed solution with strong support. 13, 14, 15, 16. Go with a code-based approach if your business demands unique features, extensive customization, or if you possess the necessary development resources. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 18. Consider your budget, technical expertise, and long-term business goals carefully. 8, 13, 18. Both options can scale effectively, but their scaling strategies and associated costs will differ significantly. 1, 2, 6, 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.